Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Lynn. If you are new here, welcome. Today I am really excited to show you guys what my house is looking like for spring. Granted, it's nothing like elaborate or anything, but you know, it's always good to just kind of refresh your house and everything after winter. And it is the middle of March and we're actually currently on vacation while you guys are watching this. All that to say is I'm also really excited to be collaborating with my friend Emily from Mama from Scratch, and she is just a very sweet lady. If you guys have not heard of her before and have never seen her channel, I'm just going to show you guys a little bit here. She is just one of those moms who just seemingly does it all, it appears like, and she does so many awesome DIYs. I love her home decor style, and I think you guys will too. It is very farmhouse type, cottage feel. She's from California, and yeah, I love her style and I love who she is, and she's just a very inspiring lady to me. So thank you so much for doing this with me, Emily. Without further ado, I'm just gonna get into my tour. So starting here in my dining room, I'm not going to go into just a ton of detail, but this new looking, I don't know, is it sage? Anyway, it's new for me, but I got it at Village Gift Barn in Berlin, Ohio, and then I just added some fake tulips in there. And then this vase is actually one of two that was recently a handoff given to me, and I really like them. I like how that turned out. This chair was actually in our bedroom, and I ended up moving it out here into this corner because I kind of wanted to keep it downstairs, so that is kind of new, I guess. But let me know what you guys think about how that looks. Moving into our bedroom, I am not going to go into a lot of detail because if you are a subscriber, you may have seen my last video I did on my little desk corner here. And so if you haven't watched that, go ahead and do that, and I go into a lot more detail there. So moving out to our main level bathroom, I did go a little bit more feminine in here than I might have normally, but I just have some fake ferns up there, like a fake fern plant, and then that sign printable thing is from Jane.com. I love them for prints in general. And then this green looking stuff is from Pat Catan's. This is the wreath I did a tutorial on earlier. I'm sure a lot of you have seen that one, but I decided to hang it in the bathroom. I just like the blush color, and I felt like it worked well with my marble like top and the faux marble ceramic tile in the shower and everything. I just thought that would work well, and especially since it's spring. So yeah, it is a little bit more feminine than I normally go, but I like it, and it's just kind of fresh. So out here, I really didn't go all out or anything. I feel like I'm kind of lacking some decorations right now, but I kind of had to control myself a little bit. So as far as these shelves, there is another printable up top. It says, "I am with you always." I really like that, especially with Easter, remembering the crucifixion and the resurrection and everything. So I like that. And then I just have some florals in here, just randomly. I kind of put those together, and that is pretty much what I have on those shelves right now. And the rest of the kitchen is, I just have some fruit and stuff. So looking into the living room, this is what it's looking like. The shelves are nothing too fancy or anything. I kind of have my basics that I stick with normally, so then I just kind of change out a couple of the stuff. But this eucalyptus up top was from Magnolia Market when we visited last summer. And this is actually from TJ Maxx, I think, this faux succulent. I really wanted to find some more new pillow covers for my couches, but I didn't find any so far, so I'll just kind of stick with what I have, and maybe I'll pick up some along the way, because normally my spring and summer just kind of stays the same, so I'll just kind of be on the hunt, I guess, maybe looking for some pillow covers. The pink one over here is something I'd picked up last year at a store in Cincinnati. I forget the name, but they went out of business, I think. But anyway, it works well for summer. and I still have my ottoman. I'm in the process of getting a coffee table. It is still being worked on, so this will be updated at some point, but I did get another pillow cover. This is the same one as in my bedroom, so I have it out here. And then I have some fresh tulips and a little berry stuff in here in my Magnolia Market vase. And yeah, that's pretty much how the rest of the living room is looking right now. I just kept things pretty simple, and this is pretty much the extent of it. So I hope you all enjoyed seeing my little spring updates here and there. And if you are done here, make sure you go check out Emily's video as well. I'm excited to watch it. She just has the most gorgeous decor and everything, and I'm sure you will love her as well. If you're coming over, I'd love to have you subscribe and join my channel here. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you later. Bye.